Emma, you ready to give it a go?
Yeah, let's do this!
Gonna be okay. Beep Beep's gonna be okay.
Hey, it's Emma on the go, and today I'm giving it a go at Sandy's Collision Repair, where, as you can see, Beep Beep is very sick.
Beep Beep had a bad day, very bad day, but the gang here at Sandy's are going to make him all better and make him the little road beast that he is. It's gonna be a happy day again.
So what happened to Beep Beep?
Beep Beep had a really bad night a couple of weeks ago. I was driving home and somebody didn't see the red light at the intersection, came flying through and hit me. And so luckily I wasn't hurt, the other driver wasn't hurt, which is good. We're happy about that. But as you can see, Beep Beep did get hurt. So we've got it down here at Sandy's Collision in Vernon, and Dr. Sandy and his crew are going to make it all better, and it will live to ride again. Everyone, it's John Deek at Royal LePage. When you're out on the road and you're not paying attention, bad things can happen like this. So please pay attention, be careful out there, and let's not hurt anybody, you know, like me, because I still want to get out there and sell your houses. And if I can't, that really kind of suck. So have a great time, everybody. Be safe, be careful. Love you all.
That's a wrap for I'm on the go giving it a go. This was brought to you by John Deek's Full Service Real Estate Shop, Beep Beep, and Sandy's Collision Repair.
Stay tuned for the further adventures of Beep Beep and real estate fun that's going to be happening here with Emma. Kate, take care, everybody.
Get well soon, Beep Beep.
Bye.